Welcome to this library video, which will focus on how to cite cases within footnotes using the AGLC4 citation style. In a common law system like Australia's, case law is critical to comprehending, interpreting and applying the law. In citing cases, the authorised law report should be cited if available, even if the case is published in multiple law report series. When a case is also published or available elsewhere, rather than only an authorized report, the citations to such versions are called parallel citations and should not be used in citations to Australian cases. The most authoritative available version of a case should be cited. The law reports which are considered most authoritative and are officially termed authorised reports include CLR for Commonwealth Law Reports, FCR for Federal Court Reports, VR for Victorian Reports, and NSW-LR for New South Wales Law Reports. The law reports with the second highest authority are officially termed generalist unauthorised reports. Examples include ALR for Australian Law Reports and FLR for Federal Law Reports. In order of authority are then subject-specific unauthorised reports, then unreported decisions which are not published in a law report series and have a medium-neutral citation, then lastly unreported decisions which are not published in a law report series and also do not have a medium-neutral citation. When you cite a case, you should include party names as they appear on the first page of the case decision or judgment. When including party names, only the name of the first plaintiff and first defendant should be included. The party names should be separated as they appear on the case report, where they are usually separated by V, which stands for versus. The V should be italicized. If the parties are individuals, you should only cite the surname. First names and middle names should not be included. If you were citing a case where the Commonwealth of Australia is a party, only the term Commonwealth should be used, not the full term Commonwealth of Australia. If you're citing a case where an Australian state or territory is a party, include only the name of that state or territory. For example, only the term New South Wales rather than the full term State of New South Wales. If the Crown is the first name party, Rex the King and Regina the Queen, the abbreviation R should be used where R signifies Rex for the King and Regina for the Queen. Where the Crown is not the first name party and the respondent instead, abbreviations should not be used and the words the King or the Queen should be captured in full. You should not use full stops in the abbreviations of names. The volumes of law report series are organized by year or volume number. When the law report series is organized by volume number, the year that the decision was handed down should appear in round brackets. The year the decision is handed down is usually the same as the year the case is reported. The year the case is reported simply means when the case is published in a law report series. When the law report series is organized by year, the year of the volume in which the case is published appears in square brackets. If the law report series publishes more than one volume a year, the volume number should be added between the year and the report series abbreviation. If there are multiple case proceedings under the same party names, the number of the decision should be included in square brackets if the number is already provided in the case name. If there are multiple case proceedings under the same party names, however the case names don't include numbers, it is recommended to also use descriptive short titles for the cases to allow for differentiation. If a case has a commonly referred to shortened name or you refer to it more than once, the shortened name for the case name can be added as a short title, and for subsequent references to the case, the short title itself can be used. When the case is initially cited, the short title should appear in italics and within single inverted commas and round brackets. When the case is initially referred to in the text, the case name should usually be given in full. The initial citation of any source, regardless of whether it is a case, should always be provided in full. If a short title has so far only been included in the footnotes, the short title should also be included in the text when initially used in the text. For cases, the short title should generally be the commonly used case name, example, Tasmanian Dan case, or the first name party, or the second name party if the first name party is the Crown, or in an Admiralty case, the name of the ship. The page number for the first page of the case should appear after the report series in the footnote citation. A pinpoint reference is a reference to a specific page, paragraph, footnote, or other section of a source. A pinpoint should immediately follow the citation of the source. The pinpoint reference to a paragraph should appear as a number in square brackets. If both a page and a paragraph number are referred to, both should be included in the pinpoint. A full stop should appear at the end of every footnote. Unreported decisions with a medium neutral citation should be cited as demonstrated here. The case name is followed by the year, then the unique court identifier, followed by the judgment number, and then a pinpoint to a page number or a paragraph if you wanted to add one. Unreported decisions without a medium neutral citation designated by the court should be cited as demonstrated here. Begin with the case name followed by details of the court, the judge, the full date, and the pinpoint if you would like to refer to a specific page or paragraph number.